Do you remember all the storm damage this past spring? Well, there is one family-owned local company that went to work giving families and businesses peace of mind with high-quality repairs and construction. Beasley's Home Improvement has been in the family since 1926. Beasley's Home Improvement is one of the few companies certified to do historic restoration construction, which means they give you confidence knowing the job they do for you will be done right. Beasley's Home Improvement is now one of the foremost commercial roofing contractors in our area. No matter the type or size of your job, they do it right. Beasley's Home Improvement offers services for any size customer. From manufacturing facilities to schools to small businesses, they have a solution for every building. Services include new construction, repairs, re-roofing, and metal retrofit. And they are specialists in EDPM and TPO roofing. Get the assurance of dealing with a long-standing, high-quality local company. Call Beasley's Home Improvement now, 336-596-7071.